Welcome to CloudFirst Technology. Utilize the full context of your most important business data. Give business users flexibility and IT peace of mind with self-service access to governed data. Utilize preconfigured best practices for your function or industry to hasten deployments. Make plans that are in line with SAP's enterprise apps and are effortlessly integrated. Boost collaboration between all teams that are important to your organization's success. Thanks for watching this video, and for any service required you contact me now at
844-844-0769.
Please subscribe this channel.